Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to reset settings in Shift at Midnight. Let's open Settings. In Shift at Midnight there are 4 categories of settings, where each category can be reset to the default on its own. You can do so for audio settings, for keyboard controls. There is also Restore Default Keybinds, which targets only keybinds, doesn't target inversion of mouse axis and mouse sensitivity. Under Gamepad controls, you can also reset those settings. And under Video, of course, at the bottom is the Restore to Default Settings. Right. I will go back to my preferred settings. Right. That should be good. Once you are done resetting the settings, well, that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to like, comment and subscribe.